If you use the deals module in Recruiterflow, this one's for you. We've completely rebuilt the deals experience. New views, multiple pipelines, smarter filters, and a lot more control over how you manage your BD. Let me walk you through what changed. So this is the new deals page. As you can see, I have opened it up from the sidebar. Now over here, first things first, and this is the big one. You can now run multiple deal pipelines inside Recruiterflow. Before, everyone shared one pipeline. So if you were running direct placements, RPO work, retail search, everything was mixed together. Now you can create a separate pipeline for each business line. Each one has its own stages, its own deals, its own view. You can switch between them right there from the top. This is especially useful if you're managing different BD motions or if multiple team members own different types of deals. So, like I mentioned, you can switch the deal pipeline from this drop down over here. We have the default pipeline added in, but you can create other pipelines. For instance, I have created the executive search deal pipeline. If I just click on that, my Kanban view now will show me all the deals in that pipeline only. And as you can closely observe, the stages are now different. I can also collapse the stages if there is no data, as you can see from this particular screen. And then I can scroll through. I can again have that function of moving deals from one stage to the other. And if you closely observe in the bottom, I have the total amount in each stage. At the same time, I have the weighted amount as well. Weighted amount gives me the number or the currency based on the probability of closing that deal depending on what stage it is. Now, if you want to go ahead and create any new deal pipeline, all you got to do is go to settings and then head to your CRM settings. Once you're in the CRM settings, click on the deals pipeline drop down. Now you see that there are two pipelines. If you want to go ahead and create a new one, just click on add pipeline. Give it a name. For example, let's say I want to give it a name of exec search, and then deal lost and deal won are the stages by default. You can change the names though, and then you can also change the colors, and then you can go ahead and add in your stages over here. Let's say I add an appointment schedule. I give it a win percentage. Let's say it's 40%. I can change the color over here as well. I add one more stage. Now let's say it's contract discussion. Again, I gave it one more probability rate, give it a different color, and then I can add in as many stages as I want. I can even go ahead and move these stages over here, and they will be seen in the same order in your deals pipeline. Deleting a stage, again, it's very simple. All I have to do is click on the delete option over here. And once I'm happy with anything, all I have to do is click on save. For instance, if I just delete this, I have the option of clicking on save. Now, one more important thing, whatever deal pipeline is on the top, that will be automatically selected as default. For example, in this instance, we have the default pipeline and that is selected as default. But if I bring this on top, now this is selected as default. You can also go back and edit your previous deal pipelines. For instance, I have this deal pipeline created. I can go ahead, I can make changes on the deal names, stage names, probability of closure, color, reorder them, and I can change the name of the deal pipeline as well. So I have all this flexibility. And if I want to go ahead and clone a deal pipeline, I can also simply do that using the clone pipeline option. Now, that being said, let us go back to our deals. So now we've spoken about the deals pipeline. Now there is also one more option over here, which is the table view. Now we have the table view, which is very similar to your other places inside Recruiterflow. You can now switch between the Kanban board over here, or you can go on to the table layout depending on how you like to work. Table view is great when you want a quick overview of all your deals. You can see values, stages, owners, and close dates in one place and sort or filter on the fly. You can also go ahead and change data on the table right over here. So you have that flexibility as well. Just hit the toggle up here to switch between views. Views are basically your segments that you have created for yourself. You can simply pick the filters over here and then select what filters you want. And if you use those particular filters on a regular basis, you can simply save that particular view as a segment and pin it on top over here. So you can pin up to 5 segments like any other table inside Recruiterflow. Now, that being said, let's go back to the Kanban view. There is another customization option over here, which is what you see in each and every Kanban card. If you want to go ahead and customize that, now you can simply click on this customize Kanban option. You can choose up to 4 custom fields over here, and on the right side you'll be able to see the preview as well. For instance, I want the offer status, fee percentage, payment terms, start date, and once I click on save, all my data will be replicating that particular option for me. So instead of opening every deal to check where things stand, you can see it right on the board, right on your Kanban card. And finally, just touching upon it again, segments are going to be your most crucial element over here. Especially, let's say you are a manager, you have your team working under you. You can create separate segments for each of your team member to see how they are moving deals, where they are stuck, what stages they are in, so on and so forth. You have your filters. You can use the filters for filtering by owner, stage, value, close date, or any custom field and save that filter so you don't have to redo it every time. This is useful for things like all high value deals closing this month or deals assigned to me that haven't been updated in the last 7 days. So you have all these options. Now, that's the new deals experience: multiple pipelines, table view, custom Kanban cards, and smarter filters. All of it is live for your account right now. No setup required. If you want a step-by-step guide, check the help article linked below. And if you have questions, our help team is right there in the chat. Give it a try at your deals page and explore.